Hi, everybody. Welcome. Taking a look at our webcam earlier today as one of those showers was moving right over us. A nice shot there. And of course, getting some of that rainfall. Hey, it's good news. We'll take it. We'll have some drier weather as we go into next weekend. But until then, yeah, we're still going to contend with some of these spotty showers and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms. So we see some of that rain kind of coming over the area. This is earlier today again, a satellite and radar. And we see a lot of cloud cover all across the east and into Nebraska. A few storms also in the Wind River Range coming down the mountains. So we'll be slightly warmer for our Memorial Day. Yeah, maybe a couple degrees. It really depends if we can flush out some sunshine. We may stay socked in with clouds and see temps again in the 50s. But once we start to break that up a little bit more as the week wears on, we'll have temps responding, getting closer to average at least. So isolated storms again possible here on a Memorial Day. Best chance is over the mountains and the adjacent valleys and areas to the east. So we're kind of in the midst of that. And storm chances will rise Tuesday and Wednesday. And then still an isolated threat Thursday through Saturday, technically. But as I mentioned, going into the weekend, it does start to dry out. We have ridging building over us. For the time being, though, we've got this trough overhead. It spins the atmosphere basically in a counterclockwise direction, or we call that cyclonic. And so we have some rain over in Nebraska, some cloud cover here, maybe a little morning fog. Could have a spotty shower overnight as well. And then redeveloping again tomorrow in the afternoon, a little higher chance for a few spots. And looking at the rainfall amounts expected, this is just through 7 p.m. on Tuesday, so we'll add on to the potential here. But looking at it, maybe just under ½ an inch in some areas to around ¼ inch. Really depends on who gets hit by the showers, of course. And we look at temperatures overnight tonight, down to around 43 to 41 in Laramie. Medicine Bow at 42. Highs here Monday warming up to around 56. Average highs 69. So it's slightly warmer in the west, cooler to the east, low 50s. Rollins at 68. We have about a 60% chance of showers into the morning, and then in the afternoon, up around 85% chance. Highs Tuesday, topping out around 66 degrees, so slightly warmer, as I mentioned. Break free, maybe a little sunshine. Still low 60s in the east, but now we're in the mid 70s to the west. We'll take a brief dip in temps here Wednesday. Slightly better chance of some scattered showers and storms. Then we warm back up again, going into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the weekend. So 56 out here. Underneath this trough, chance for a few storms, showers. Again, a little better chance Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday, and then isolated threat Friday, Saturday. Then we start drying out. But long-range forecast does indicate we'll be above average with our temperatures 1 to 2 weeks out.